Star hopping, for those of you who don't know, is an easy to follow technique for finding faint objects in the night sky that may be just out of naked eye visibility, without the use of computerized GOTO telescopes. Perfect for if you're using binoculars, and with a little bit more practice, telescopes. And so to give an example, what we're going to do is we're going to find the Andromeda Galaxy. And now at this time of year, late autumn coming into early winter, you'll look east from the UK and you'll see the big square of Pegasus, and so from there we want to find Andromeda. And the top left hand side of the square of Pegasus, oddly, that is actually the brightest star in Andromeda, so you've got Alpha Andromeda. And so star hopping is moving from one star to another to find whatever you want to observe. And back in the day, remember, we used to use these books, and and it was using the charts in these books, star hopping, that I managed to find many of the deep space objects at the time. And so from Alpha Andromeda we make a line to Delta Andromeda, and then on to Beta, which is Merak. And I did actually do another video about this star called the Ghost of Merak. I'll link to it at the end of this video, how to find that. And so then we turn a corner, you could say, up to Mu Andromeda, MU, and then exactly the same distance up to the Andromeda Galaxy. And that is how you find it. So you go from Alpha, a line through to Delta, another line through to Merak or Beta Andromeda, then up to Mu Andromeda, and then you find the Andromeda Galaxy. And what you'll find is it's like taking a scenic route in the car. You may want to go straight there on the motorway, or you may want to take the scenic route and look at nice places on the way. And so don't just find the Andromeda Galaxy in this example, but stop along and all the stars that I've mentioned, find out a little bit about them. Are they a single star? Are they a double star? What is their luminosity? How far are they away? Etc, etc. And so not only will you have found the Andromeda Galaxy with this little experiment using star hopping, you'll also find out about a number of other night sky objects in that same area, so you can make the observing session last quite a long time. And I remember many years ago I was using this technique. I can't remember what I was looking for, but I saw this fuzzy blob, as we call it in astronomy, a very faint patch of light, and I thought, what's that? Because I was actually en route to look at something else, and I looked it up in a book or in a magazine, and it was Comet Borrelli. I never knew it was there, but by using a star hopping technique I bumped into some like an extra bonus item to look at. And so that's a little quick look at star hopping. I'll probably do more of these videos as I've done in the past, and I'll do in the future, just showing how to find night sky objects either using binoculars or with a little bit more practice using telescopes. So as always, I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.